Hey guys, so it's my channel. So this is it's Margareta, and today we're going to look at the Seiko Melodies motion clock QXM378BRH. So this clock, it plays 18 songs. So let's take off the chair. Let's take it out. Then let's put it here. And let's go. The 378, it was painted brown with gold line. So it has the golden element. So it has black button, black circle button. So how did you press the clock? So it's not stop mode. So it has no rotating pendulum. So this clock, and then let's look at this clock. The QXM378BRH is a recycled model of the RE601B. So it's made with the older Seiko clock. It used the QXM291BRH clock face. So it plays 18 melodies. It looks like the 291. So the 378, it has the 291 part. So it has hour hand and the minute hand. So I'm just going to look. The second hand is ticking. So there's something on the clock, but it looks like a broken clock. So I cannot break all of the fun fact about the clock. So I just cannot read the fun fact. Now let's go to the rhythm clock. So this clock, it has play one of 18 melodies. The Four Seasons Spring, Canon, Eine kleine Nachtmusik, Symphonie No. 6 Pastoral, Morning from Peer Gynt, La Traviata Drinking Song, Amazing Grace, The Planet Jupiter, Waltz of the Flowers, South de Amour, Pictures at an Exhibition Promenade, Dance of the Red Pipes. So I'm just going to think. Hush. So let's taking off my Christmas melody. So it has Deck the Halls, O Tannenbaum. We wish you a Merry Christmas, joy to the world, Silent Night, Jingle Bells. So this clock is sent here. So this clock I buy it from Japan. So this clock I got it from my YouTube channel, Clock Bally. So let's check out the Japanese clock. It looks like. So here is the logo at the top. So you can look the logo here. So there is the clock logo. So let's see. So there is a castle in left and right, and there is a star. So there is a castle at the top, under the clock face. So it's not a little bit of the chocolate face. So it's not this clock, no chocolate face. So let's look at. So I'm just color the clock face color black and white. I'm just going to color. So this clock has red and blue Swarovski crystals. So let's move back to the chair and let's see how does the Seiko clock. It tells the wrong time. So let's go to the 153. Here I am, the 153, it has a rainbow color clock face. So I'm just going to read all about the fun fact of the clock. This clock, I get it for my birthday in 2020. So I'm just going to read my fun fact about Seiko Melodies in Motion clock and Seiko alarm clock. But I'm just going to read my fun fact, the QXM378BRH and the QHE153LLH. So this clock is, alarm, let's check it. Up, the clock is low battery, so it's a little bit of low battery. Oh, so I'm just going to set the alarm sound low tone. So let's try it again. So this clock, I'm just going to set the alarm sound low tone. So let's turn it off and let's see it go. So the Seiko clock, alarm clock 153 and the 378 here. Hi, this is 153. It is it. So the 153 is the 378 new friend. So the 378 have a new friend. So the 378 new friend is 153. So the 153 become my new friend of 378. And then let's go. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and comment, share and subscribe, and see you tomorrow. So long.